we're going to play ceiling fan house. Yeah. Excuse me so much because I bought too much. Because I eat too much food. I am BTG Pucci Dumpy. Let's come with a nacho. Wait, what? Oh, really? Let's demo go down. Whoa. 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 Yeah. Only one house is there, but that's not as beautiful. Wow, is there national there? Oh, but how it will on? There's a switch, and no, we didn't. Let's go. Here's a came. Doing ginge. Let's go up. Oh, that's a good idea. Now, how to go in the national place? Oh! Whoa, how is being demo here? Whoa. Wait. Okay, one more speed. Only one. And see, I stopped the recording and started. Wait then. Let's turn on this fan. I don't know. It had 3. Whoa. Oh. Okay, I turn it on. There's one more. That's not a great sound. Oh. Hey. National time. Haha. Oh. That's one more stairs. Oh, it's another. Wow, it's cool. Whoa, is that cool? That's not great sound. It's like air conditioner. Maybe blended, and that's really making noise. What is broken, I think? I'm not only PS on, so I'm leaving this. But one more thing. Let's do national. Hello, everybody. I'm going from the home. Hands on. Why? Because home get cold. Oh my god, that's so cool. My home and making noises was worst. Yay. I'm going. Wait, first I have to show my Roblox for this. And now, slowly. Yay! How I stand to here? Oh, I fall with my pot. That's awesome. I ended the